So what to do in the next time you see a post that is concerning, this is your flow.
My name is Louis Liaw. I'm an employment lawyer and a principal at Louis Liaw Chambers.
And if you see an employee makes a post, you are aware of the post, what to do. You need to assess the post in the first place. Is it talking about me? Is it identified? Is it talking about the company? Is the company's reputation affected? What does the other people, the netizens say? Is it harming the workplace harmony and trust? Do you lose trust or lose confidence in this employee? Did it breach social media policy? Is there a connection between the post and employment? Is it something totally private, nothing to do with the company, or is it related? Now, if after asking all these questions, you think that maybe you need to take further steps, then you start to preserve all the evidence, screenshots, take the timestamps, take the platforms, see how many people liked, see how many people commented. Then you collect all your evidence, preserve all your evidence, you issue a show cause letter to show clearly what is the offense. If you can attach the evidence, attach the screenshot to show that this is what we are talking about. And then you give the employee time to respond. Now, after the employee respond, if you think that the explanation is good, you can acquit him and say, we found you not guilty. But if you think that no, the explanation is not good enough, you can decide whether you want to do a domestic inquiry to investigate further. Domestic inquiry is not mandatory. It's not always a must that you do. But if you got the resources and time, why not? Now, if you do a domestic inquiry, make sure the panel is impartial, a fair one. Make sure the employee has the right to be heard. He can express himself. And the domestic inquiry is properly recorded. Meeting minutes all properly recorded. Then after that, the inquiry panel should make a finding and make a suggestion. If the panel is empowered, it can also make a decision. Different suggestion and decision is that the panel, after they decide he's guilty, the panel may just make suggestion, meaning I propose the company to terminate. Then company make the final decision whether to terminate or not. Sometimes the panel will say, we think you can terminate. Company can still decide, I think, never mind, I give him a chance. I just issue warning letter. Possible. Some, they just give the power to the DI panel. The DI panel can just decide to terminate. That is very unusual. Normally, it's just make a finding, guilty or not guilty, and then make a suggestion. And then the company can decide whether to follow the suggestion or not. So the findings must say whether misconduct is proven or not proven. And then you need to consider, if it's proven, what is the punishment? What is the proportionate punishment? Warning letter, is it enough? Or we need termination? Then you take your disciplinary action, which then is either warning, suspension, demotion, or dismissal. Now, if the employee is terminated and is unhappy, you will bring it to the industrial court. Then you will have to fight in the industrial court, and the industrial court decide whether the termination was correct or wrong. So what to do in the next time you see a post that is concerning, this is your flow.